Hi everybody, Rodney Miller here from Small Town Big Deal Television Show. Hey, we're on set and location somewhere in the Midwest, and I'm inviting you to join me June 10th in Benton, Illinois for the first annual Farm City Days. Hey, I hope to see a lot of my friends. Going to be on the parade, I think, around noon sometime.
I'm sorry, you did not put in a vacation request for him?
Hey, I'm still the boss here. You're just my co-host, and oh yeah, you won't have the company too.
You were the boss, so get back to work. I guess you got the day off. Y'all enjoy him. Now let's go.
Hey, I'll see you in Benton on June 10th, even if she says I can't come. See you then.